Yeah, now I have one ID. Okay, I'll give you the password. You have to log in that,
Okay.
and you have the Terraform code, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will take 5 minutes to install everything. kubectl1, everything. Okay,
Yeah.
what is the pull request and all. User. Okay, this one I'll give you. Yeah, this one Pavitra. I'll give you that one. Pavitra one. Yeah, try to log in with that. I'll give you the password. Okay, share and log in your screen. First share your screen and then log in. Sanjay, how are you?
Yeah, hi Ravi, I'm good.
Have you done the practice, Sanjay?
Ravi, the free credit is expired.
Oh,
So yeah, I'm using the Breezy account now, so and my also.
okay, 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 fine.
Ravi, I need the authentication for this.
Which one?
Authentication, we need that one.
You have to do now.
Okay.
Okay, 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 okay. This code will goes to Pavitra. Okay, leave that account. I'll create one new user for you. Okay,
Okay.
leave that one. Okay, ID and password I gave it. You try to log in with that. Now I am going to authorize you. Okay, means I am giving you RBAC role as a contributor. Uh, okay, Briti, log in into your account.
I'm just doing that one. Okay.
Now you log in into Azure CLI, okay, and create AKS and what you are creating there as
Okay.
VM. You don't need to do anything, Briti. You have just given command for AKS and ACR. Today we will do in local. Don't no need to create VM and all. Okay.
No, I'm just trying to. Okay, no need of VM.
Okay.
I'm just asking the code for Azure CLI installation.
Yeah. You in your local you have no Azure CLI,
Yeah,
so it
yeah.
won't require that.
I think I have. I don't know whether I'm not sure.
No, in your CLI it is there. No, you now you login into your system. That Azure login you have done right now.
Yeah.
So that is means you have Azure CLI. Okay.
Okay.
If it was not there, means you can't able to log in.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now open that Argo CD one. That Argo CD getting started one.
Ravi, if you don't mind, can you give me one account, me also?
Actually, this ID is for 1 hour only. After that, I will delete that ID. You want that?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to install Argo CD in your local. You do that part with you. Argo CD CLI you have to install in your local. No, no, go there na. In Argo CD there is one GitHub repository is there for downloading one. That Argo CD CLI, yeah, that part. Not there. Go back, go back, go back once again you go back. Yeah,
Is this one you're saying?
yeah. Click on that. Scroll down and go for that Windows one.
In the down page.
Yeah, here only. For Windows AMD 64. Yeah, click on that. Download it.
Ravi, this package is showing me as a harmful for the system.
It's not harmful. Actually, I told you na. Some having that HTTPS crossed one, red one, and some
Yeah.
having that the green one. Okay, so that it is same. If you open any website of self certified website, it will show that type only. Okay.
Okay.
It is harm, when you are visiting some other websites and it is there crossed that HTTPS, means you are creating your own website, okay, and you are the certifier for that certificate, so that your website will show the crossed red one, HTTPS crossed red one. Okay.
Okay,
So if
Ravi.
you want to hack my system or any system, so that if you will give some uh, the extra input for that in your website, so that if I'll go and visit your website, then my system will get hacked that time.
Okay, okay.
So that is the harmful. Now it is installed, I think. Oh no, it's not downloaded. Huh?
Ravi, Argo seed is
It's
used
just few seconds.
for the industry level also.
Yeah, actually now Argo CD is new, okay, and means very less people is using right now. Many people you using that CLI one only, kubectl, get command, get pods, like that. Means old, the old people, or we can say that they having the experience from starting. Now industry is switching to Argo CD1.
Okay.
Run anyway. install it. It is installing or not?
It is saying like you need to open through cmd dot exe.
Okay, open that one. Yeah, what happened, Briti?
I'm not remembering like how to open this one. I'm sorry.
Uh, you go to download one, that file only. Uh, Reliance Digital downloads. Go to there.
Like I'm not getting which command I should use to list out the
PWD you do
things.
no PWD. It is working there. No, it is
No,
working. Okay, you open in that.
because these are the Linux commands, right? It is.
Yeah. So you open in that folder now only. Download folder directly open in that. Close that one. Close it. Yeah. Right click open. Right
No,
click.
it is closing.
Right click open CMD. Are you in address bar na? You open with CMD. You do right there.
I'm only having one thing.
No, in address bar na there there is written downloads. You write CMD there. Put enter. Now you
Okay.
write that file name. Put enter. Let's see it is working or not.
It just gave me some commands like how to manage that one.
Now you check Argo CD login. Is working Argo CD version.
It is not recognizing the internal or external command.
Okay, you ask for ChatGPT how to install that Argo CD file through CMD or that. You do it.
Here it is given like these are the commands we have to use.
Okay, you do one thing. First, you connect your Kubernetes cluster. Check it is created or not. ACR name you have to put different.
Okay. In this command prompt itself, I had to do this.
Yeah, or use PowerShell, na? Use PowerShell. Yeah, then that second command. Okay, now you can get procedural get nodes. It is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you try to install here. You ask ChatGPT how to install that Argo CD CLI in Windows. Yeah, paste copy paste in there in PowerShell. You have space now in the your system.
Okay. Yeah, I'm actually having 12 GB.
Yeah, exactly.
I think that's enough.
Now while it is installing now, let's see the Azure portal. We have another resources there. Uh, Search there Azure that web app or web app you search. Web app you search web app. It is that one. Yeah, app services,
App service, right?
not function app. App services. Okay, so we have options here like click on that create button. Yeah, we have web app, we have static web app, we have web app plus database, we have WordPress on app services. Okay, so first let's see how we can create a static web app. Click on the second one. Yeah, you have to give the resource group, give, and you have to give your web app details. Okay, and you have to give that free or standard, whatever you have you can give according to your choice. Now you have to give the deployment one, means where is your code, means what you want to deploy. That is static web app, means there is a one application there, web app is there, so that you can deploy your any static web app. Okay, not dynamic one, only static web app. So you have to choose your repo, whether your where your repo is, whether it is in GitHub, whether it is in Azure DevOps or any other resources you have. Okay, if you want to get code from your GitHub, so that you have to log in here. There is option here, click here to log in, click on that and authenticate it. Sanjay, are you listening now that point?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so you have to choose organization, you have to give repository name, URL, repository name. Organization is that is Brati 1931, that is your organization.
Yeah, I'm just checking like whether the name is correct or not.
Branch is main, it's okay. uh, Leave that one. Now click on that review plus create. So this is the simple, you can create now any web app.
Yeah.
Static web app means SWA, static web app, create. Now if you have any application there, it will just launch, means it will deploy your application. And this is the interface you will get when you will click on get resources.
That means like this is the alternative for the Argo CD we can say for
Not
deployment.
not Argo CD. This is the means instant deployment you have, means they are having some very less informative customers there, like they have only static website and they need to only deploy. They don't want any dynamic version and all. Okay, so just you can go for that.
Okay.
So you will get the URL here. Scroll up, URL is here. Okay, click on that. Now it is showing that Microsoft Azure one, this is the default one. Once
Yeah.
your application will get successfully deployed, then you will get your website here.
Okay.
Come back, there is options like logs and all, and one more thing, there is a one token here. If you want to put in CI/CD pipeline, there is a token that is manage deployment token, just above manage, after the delete button, manage deployment token. Yeah, click on that. There is a token. If you want to make the CI/CD pipeline for SWW or WA, so you have to copy this token in that GitHub secret, so that you can use as a variable there. Okay, and you can able to access this static web app. Okay, this is a token here.
Okay.
Okay, now come to the logs, activity logs. Click on that activity log. Second, after the overview options, you have activity log. Yeah, these are the logs. You can click on that. I'm not getting that much. Export, no, there you are not getting. Yeah, click on their settings, you will get, you can see the logs there also. Settings, click on configuration. Okay, so whatever you have given in configuration file, you can see here. And there is environmental variables, environment variables. If you have any environment variables, okay, for connecting any backend or whatever you want to connect with that app, so that you can use here this environmental variable. Okay, now here you can
Okay.
see the logs. You can go for the overview option. Yeah, here,
Yeah.
deployment history, there is one option is there in right hand side, deployment history. Click on that. Go back. Okay, you can see here, click on that, again. You can check here that one pipeline is already created here. automatic pipeline. Okay, click on that workflow. This is the pipeline. It is automatically created for your static web app. Okay, and now come to there, click on that your website, Azure portal one, and you can also provision this resource with the help of Terraform. Okay, and there is also a separate code for that.
Like in the source, we had to change that.
Which one?
You said like we can also use the Terraform code also, right?
Yeah, to create this static web app,
Oh, okay, okay.
whatever we are creating, like AKS SCR we are creating now,
Yeah, yeah.
in the same way we can create this web app, we can create the apps, app services what we have. Okay,
Okay.
means any resources we can create it through either UI method or that Terraform
Clear
method.
line.
Okay,
Yeah.
every code is there in Terraform registry. Okay, some old version is depreciated. Okay, so you have to go for the new one, like there is so many versions you can see for a web app there. So you have to you can get the the instructions while you are running any code or copying any code, the time that this version is depreciated you can go for the newer one, like that you will get the message.
Ravi, why it is showing location is global?
Where?
Previous or yeah, location is global.
Yeah, actually this we have launched this application for global, means from anywhere you can access this one.
Okay, okay, okay. I was thinking it is.
Means
I was thinking it is fixed on a location.
no, 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 not like that. Waiting for deployment, what is saying, click on that, Birati. Monitoring one, monitoring second part. Not here, scroll up. Actually some logs is there. Okay, so you can able to see why your deployment is not done. Actually you have copied one application there. Okay, means you have fetched your application, so it will show that what is the reason behind that your application is not online. Click on that second one, the application log.
In this page itself.
In left hand side you have option activity log. It is not showing here. Okay, let's see, there is one option also there. Okay, custom domains and all. So if you have any your own domain, so you can use that domain for that accessing this website. Left hand side there is option na custom domains. Okay, you can use your own custom domains, so that if any client is there, so no one is going to hit with that URL one, what the default is giving by the Azure one. So if you have any your own domain, so you can use that domain also. Okay, now overview, click on overview, the first one. Yeah, you try with the you have any other option na, Brati, you have any HTML file na there?
Yeah, I'm actually having some HTML files in my local.
Not local, in GitHub. Actually it fetched the data from GitHub only.
Yeah, I think so. I'm trying.
You checked once. Actually dynamic it won't take. Okay, that website is won't take the dynamic one, it take only the static one.
Yeah, I'm actually having this HTML.
Yeah, refer that one. In configuration you go there, in static web app, and click on configuration and change the repository one.
Ravi, from this one, we can't. Can we just open? I mean, go through the site from the repository itself.
Which site?
Like whether I'm having that website, right? The I mean, index
No,
file.
no, you can't go.
I can't go through that. Okay.
Click on, you do one thing. Click, there is option configuration in left hand side after the routes. Yeah, you point that HTML repository, your HTML repository. Is there any option you can see? Okay, or do one thing, delete that app, static web app, create another one, go for the next new one. Check that operation has done the previous what you are on the process of.
Yeah,
No, actually
there are no.
installing that Argo CD one. I'm asking about that. You check Argo CD version. Scroll down. What is the command for that Argo CD version? Na?
Arusari version itself. Yeah, it is done.
Yeah, now connect your Argo CD. Means AKS and all. Let's configure first. Then we will go for that static web app and all. Okay.
Okay.
I think you already connected that AKS. You have to configure your means start your server Argo CD server. You try with that command kubectl get nodes.
Yeah, actually, I got this.
Yeah. Now you configure your server that Argo CD one.
Is this one?
Yeah. Sanjay, try to help it. Okay. You have to speak now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Preeti, have you created service?
Actually, the Argo City service is done.
Okay. Go to the page.
Oh, 1 second. Which one?
Argo CD. Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah, this was kubectl patch. Yeah. Uh, you want to log in Argo CD, na? Hello, Preeti.
Yeah, yeah. Should I log in through the PowerShell or separately?
No, no. Why you log in? You have to create a admin user, and they will give you password. So on that page, the previous page, yeah. On that there is a command for creating an admin. Scroll
Is the
down.
thing right? I think so.
Scroll up. Slowly, slowly. I'm not getting.
What happened? Any progress?
Ravi, I'm searching for the creating a user, admin user for the yeah, this one. No, no, no. This is for the login. Yeah, yeah. This one. This is a fourth number. Yeah.
Yeah, before that, I need to give all this right. I have to set the port
Yeah,
also.
yeah, yeah. You have to set the port also. This command you already done, I guess.
No, the load balancer. Should I keep the load balancer itself or other thing?
Keep the load balancer, na.
Yeah.
Load balancer, you will get public IP for that. If you will feed the cluster IP, means you have to connect internally. Okay, you have to do the port forward and all everything.
When it is.
Why I got this like
Service.
after this I need to get that load balancer type service one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Ravi, why it is showing invalid character as?
Which one? S1.
Yeah.
Batch service Argo CD server load balancer one.
Should I also give that brief install Argo CD one?
No, no, no. That is
It
for
doesn't
the
need, right?
no, no. Actually, we already installed that one, na.
Yeah.
You give it to ChatGPT. What is the error? It is asking for any additional.
Yeah, I'll just okay. That request.
Actually, this is syntax error. Okay, means you have to put some. You have another way, na. You try it with the double quote one. Okay, we done. Now in the place of single quotation, na, you can use that double quote. Also, it is preferable. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the IP. Yeah.
Now connect it.
Just first create a admin.
Without any
Port
port forwarding.
forwarding first.
No
Port
need, no
forward.
need of port forwarding one. Actually, you have done that part. Load balancer one. Okay. If you are try to connect
Cluster. I think.
internally cluster with the help of cluster IP, then you have to do the port forward one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the password. Okay, Sanjay. This is the command
Yeah.
for password.
The copy.
Eh,
Sanjay, any doubt till creating any password, any installation, Argo CD,
No,
CLI,
Ravi,
ML?
no, Ravi.
No? Brati, right now you have any doubt?
No, Ravi. Okay.
No, for the load balancer IP.
You put IP,
You have
Yeah,
simple.
to
yeah.
put
I'm sorry. I
load
forgot.
balancer IP.
You have taken lunch, Brati?
No, Ravi. I'm
That,
sorry.
that's why.
That's why my brain is not working actually.
Advance.
It won't show anything. Okay.
Proceed. Yeah.
Briti, one shortcut you also know na, that come to the VS Code. Actually, I was seeing, I was noticed that thing. Come to VS Code. Yeah, now you have you search that anything you search brew RG you search here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So you are replacing that once na without it doing anything.
Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah.
What
Okay, yeah.
what what is that thing? How can you do
Like
it?
if I just select that one and if I just press Control and F2, we'll have the cursor at both the places like this. Like if I remove
Multiple
one thing,
cursors.
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay. Means control and F2.
F2. Yeah,
Control plus F2. Then cursor will go to
yeah,
where the same thing is there, na?
yeah, yeah.
Same what is there? Okay,
Like
okay.
if I want to change brew RG into something like brew RG1, I'll get this in every place.
Okay, okay. Every time I was going there searching and replacing and all. So
Okay.
I seen that you are doing that shortcut and all. Sanjay, you got now that shortcut?
Yes, Ravi.
Control F2.
Yeah, actually the Argo CD is done. Like
Yeah,
I
now
got logged.
now let's see the Argo CD. Click on that. Argo CD one. Yeah, yeah, here. Click on settings. Okay, you can connect your repository also. Okay, click on repositories. So whatever the repository you have, you can click that one. Okay, you have options like via SSH, via HTTP, via HTTPS, like that. You have options. Okay, so
Okay.
try to connect with that HTTP one, second one,
Okay.
and you have to give the URL, repository URL. Okay, and
The
everything.
type is Git itself.
Yeah, type is Git. Name.
Uh, Ravi, we are going to connect with the repository here.
No, actually, yes, day before yesterday, we have only single repository. Okay, but in
Yeah,
production or in any environment, other environment, you have more than one to means one more than one repository and all. Okay, one for
multiple
backend
repository.
means one
Yeah,
for front end, and there may be five or six for backend. Okay,
yeah.
like that. So you have to connect once here. Okay, you
Okay,
can directly implement with that while you are creating the application one, that you can also mention there, but you have all if you have already mentioned here, so that you will get drop down there while you are creating the application, that time you can select it directly. Okay.
means no need to go to the GitHub one and copy paste like that.
Yeah, yeah, no need to go there. Okay.
Should I connect here? Hello. Hello.
Yes, Driti, you are audible.
Yeah, should I connect my URL here? I mean, sorry, GitHub repository URL.
Okay, you got that point now. Now you come to there, Argo CD1. So you can deploy at any time. You have got all the settings here. Okay, sync. Yeah, come to the sync part, or you have the YAML file now. You deploy that one.
The deployment one.
Yeah. First, you copy your that repository in GitHub repository there, where I have showed you the option now. Yeah, yeah. Now connect. Click on connect there.
Priti, little bit scroll up.
One second.
No, scroll up. Yeah, okay. Anything you add?
No, no, nothing is added.
Okay.
Just the repository
I
one.
have just given the URL of repository and the project
Project.
name,
Git. Yeah,
You
okay.
give the
and I
name.
have just selected via
You
HT.
give the you give that one, Brati, chattel dash python, give to the name one. Okay, and project let it be default, or you give any name.
Okay, I'll just keep it as default.
Now connect it. Okay, now connect and deploy the application.
What is the path I have to give here?
A dot for all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Means that path is where your YAML file is located. Okay.
Okay. Did I miss anything?
No.
A namespace you have to give default.
Okay.
Actually, Argo CD namespace is for the Argo CD only. Okay.
Yeah.
And now you are deploying your application. So you have to give the namespace where you want to deploy your applications. Okay. It may be
Okay. Okay.
your on any namespace. Okay.
Ravi, in Argo CD, we also create a namespace.
Yeah, we also create a namespace for Argo CD1.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the one I have asked Ravi. Like for the pod deployment, you said like something we have to enable that register or something, right? I'm not remembering where I have to enable that one.
Yeah, Sanjay will tell you. Sanjay, where we have to go to make that pod live.
Is that in AKS itself?
Sanjay, are you there?
Sorry, uh, unmute. Go to the AKS. Here,
Is this one the attached registry,
yeah,
right?
attach registry. Attach registry and attach. Yeah, it is attaching. Attach only. Yeah.
Okay, this is the step I have forgotten. Like,
Fail to
okay, one
connect the
sec.
registry.
Okay, I think there is no ACR.
You have to create an ACR first.
No, actually, I have done that one, but I don't know whether it is created or not. Only ACR it is done. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I got right now. I think now it will connect. No.
I guess your ACR
It does
name
not
is.
have authorization to perform action.
Okay, I have to give that access. Okay, let
Yeah,
Maybe you
you
are a
have.
contributor role, I guess.
yeah.
You have to the owner.
So for which I have to give the authorization, Brati?
That owner one, I need to get that.
No, no, no. Actually, come to the
Okay.
appreciation. Is there any service principal automatic created or not? Let's check.
No.
Okay, means I have to give to your ID. Okay, and that is ACR.
Muni ACR it was.
Okay. Let me see the error, Briti. Which error you got?
Like it is like the object ID does not have authorization to perform action.
Check the error
The
in
scope is in.
ChatGPT. What is the reason for that? Which role it is asking? Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up little bit. User access administrator.
I'll just check what is my current role. It is a contributor. మొన్ననే ఫోన్ మొన్ననే ఫోన్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్రతిదీ మమ్మల్ని బాధ పెట్టారు అని.
Now you try with that, Birati. Okay, I have to give that privilege one only. I think then only it will.
Yeah, only the role if it is an owner means I can just accept that. Access all those things.
No, actually, you know that this work you always try to means not you means everyone admin who is your admin na that will try every time that you will get least privilege. Okay,
Okay.
for to do any task in Azure one.
Most likely these things are done by the admin one, admin person.
No, now I am giving you user access administrator one. Okay, so let's it is working or not. Now you try, Birati. I have given you user access administrator one.
Yeah.
What it is saying, if access is right now means it will take 5 minutes, no? To it will take some time, I think.
Okay. Actually, I again got the same error. That's why. Now it is done. Actually, it is saying That like you have to refresh the credentials so it will update.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you don't have the image, so it won't work. You have to run pipeline for image repositories. You have no any image here,
Yeah.
so you already have your pipeline. Okay. In GitHub action, in GitHub action. Not there.
Ravi,
Yeah.
without using pipeline, we can directly means insert in image in ACR
Yeah.
without using pipeline. Directly, can we upload the image on ACR?
Yeah, no, you have to push, no.
No, no, like a GitHub.
No, no, actually it's like a Docker hub. What you have to
Ha,
do,
yeah, like a Docker hub.
what we have to do, we have to first build the image, then we have to push the image. The same way you have to do.
No, we
That
can
means I had to
build the
rerun
image.
this one.
Yeah, sorry, Briti.
That means like I have to run the pipeline and then I can get the image.
Yeah, means Sanjay, you have two options only. The first one is the manual, means you have to first build the image. Okay, then you have to tag the image, then you have to push the image.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, second method,
Another is pipeline.
pipeline. In single click you can able to push your image.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, Briti, you try with the your home. Okay, actually we already have done that task yesterday. Now
Okay.
you come to that. If you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Now come to the web app one where we were there. Okay, okay. Web app. Yeah, you create with that HTML one. Static web app.
I need to provide the index one, right?
HTML one. HTML.
Yeah, the index.html one, that one only, right?
Mm.
This is not connected with any pipeline one or any other thing, right?
Not connect. I think. Click on review plus create. Create. So, Biriti, can you show me the what is the rate of that static web app?
Like Ravi?
Means if it is in live, means if you get the token, like you need to create a static web app. So where you will check the rate, means where you will get that, how means the cost analyst and all.
The subscriptions type only, like billing section.
Go to Google and ask that Azure calculator, Azure cloud calculator. Not there. The Azure having their own. pricing calculator for Azure. Yeah. Now you have to check here. Okay. Web app. Is there anything separately
The app
available?
service.
Only app service, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Scroll down. I think it is came into your list. Click on.
Static web apps.
Yeah. Click on that. View.
It was 4.8K.
Means simple website. It will take 5,000 around monthly.
Yeah.
This is
Then
for a year or monthly?
monthly. I
Monthly.
think
Monthly
monthly cost.
cost.
Okay.
Now app services. How much it is? App services. There only.
The same thing, app service.
You do one thing. Delete that part. The delete option you have na. App services. Yeah. Here down only. Yeah, delete that part. Delete it. Now check for a web app. It was full deleted na. I asked you to delete only.
Is that the
Yes.
static web app or only apps?
Static web app.
It is said like it is free of cost. Static web apps.
Now you change that tier, that you have free tier and standard one. Not there, not there, not there. At top only you have one option. Yeah, here option tier free. The next
No,
one
it is free tier itself.
you have to there is option to change that free tier here. Click on that standard.
At 780, it's almost 800.
Okay, means that is that cost for the app services. Okay,
App services. Yeah.
there it was showing. So that I asked you to delete that one. Okay. Now come to that static web app.
Shall I close this?
Yeah, close that one. Now you check your application has deployed or not. You have created na somewhere.
No. But it's okay.
Yeah, it is created. I think Vriti. You search for web app, static web app.
Yeah.
Now click on that. Visit your site. Okay. It is the simplest way to deploy any application, static web app, if you have any.
Okay.
Okay. Come to that
Yeah.
Azure Web Services. Azure App Services having some more functionality, means it can take your any kind of, you know, you can deploy any kind
But
of
why I'm not? It is not redirecting here. Like I have created
at
that web service, right?
yeah, you click you search there static web app, it will show there static web app.
Okay, the static web app is different and app services is
Yeah.
different.
Now come to
Okay.
the app services. Click
Yeah.
on that. Create.
Ravi,
Now
app services is dynamic.
yeah, web app means click on that web app. You have here you know, more options like now you can see give the web app name, resource group web app name. In homework it is there that you have to create with Terraform. Okay, means you can't create now, you don't have
Yeah,
already one. Now you can check that you have options, publish option, you have publish options, you have like you can deploy with the code and you can deploy with the container one. Okay,
continue.
and if you are giving the code one, you have to give that runtime stacks. Click on that runtime stacks. .NET Java 17 means this is the version. Okay, you can select it according to your language one. Now come to that your repository Priti, chattel one. You check which in which language it is written. I think Java na.
I think it is Python one because the name itself it is Python, right?
No, 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 file,
I'll go and check.
configuration file. Click on DevOps, click on DevOps. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it is in Python manage.py.
Yeah, Python. Try to select Python there.
I need to check the version 1 second.
Python 3. It is taking na.
Okay. Okay, I'll just select the latest version. So I think 3.1.
Now leave it as it is. Okay, it is the option that Linux plan you have. Okay, you have the pricing plan. Okay, now come to create it.
Like how we are going to create do this with container Ravi?
No, you just create it now. Let's see.
Okay.
It will fetch your repository, GitHub repository. Okay, is there any option? You have seen any option for GitHub repository?
No Ravi.
Okay, now after creating we can choose create it. Yeah, click on deployment center. Click on GitHub.
Shall I just click this one? Use the available workflow or
Yeah, click on that. Sanjay Ajay, you are feeling sleepy? Na?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, okay. Then today we will wrap it. Okay, not an issue.
I'm nothing doing now.
Okay.
Shall I say this
Yeah,
one?
save it. Means in app services, what we have to do means we can able to do that slots. We can generate the slots. Okay, means with the help of that we can switch to any our newer version. Okay, without affecting our the previous one. Okay,
Okay.
we can also deploy with that with the help of container also. Okay, we'll see it later. Just I showed you that what is the basic in static web app and that app services. Okay,
Ravi, what is the difference between logs and metrics one?
where you logs and metrics.
Metrics, yeah, in the static website. 1 second, I'll just open.
Actually, metrics is in that format like numbers. Metrics. Okay, means it is in number, but in logs you will get everything.
Okay, because in the monitoring one, I just found the metrics one. I didn't get like what type of
Yeah,
metrics I can
yeah.
see.
You can see here every graph means everything you will show it in number. Okay, graph is showing up
Okay,
here,
yeah,
but whatever you will select it will show you the metrics for that, means the numbers in numbers, but logs will
mm,
tell you the everything. Okay,
okay,
in detail. When we will see now, when we'll go for that Prometheus part, there we have that metrics collected there. Okay, with the help of that we have also the data dog for collecting the logs. Okay, we have there collect for collecting the metrics. We have Prometheus, different tool we have. Okay,
okay,
so you try to explore it. Okay, tomorrow we will see.
yeah,
Tomorrow most probably, I think tomorrow I'll send the link. Okay, if I'm available. If I'll not available, actually tomorrow I have less chance. Okay, for I'll be
okay,
busy. Okay, so
okay.
if you will share the link, then only I'll be available. If not, then it's kind of.
Okay. Ravi, small question.
Yeah,
Like you are assigned in many projects, right? In your company in Chattel
yeah.
Technologies. Like what are the tools and technologies you have worked mostly, like in that particular projects?
Actually, I work more on that Azure DevOps one only, Azure part only. I have worked
Okay.
only 1 years in DevOps side. Okay, mostly I worked in that Azure part only.
Okay.
Yeah. Argo City now they are taking. Okay, before that we have only simple one. Means I'll show you the dashboard for Kubernetes. Means
Okay.
without dashboard we have to manage. After that dashboard has come, simple dashboard. Okay, and then now Argo City has come. So as there is a advancement, means there is also some new technologies there in any organization. Okay,
Are there any topics like left like we are going to discuss?
there are so many topics left in DevOps.
Okay.
So many topics. Actually, in Kubernetes we have Helm. Okay, Helm chart.
Yeah. Help charts.
Then we have Prometheus. We have Grafana. We have Datadog, and we
Okay.
have also so many holidays in Diwali, in Chhat.
Like how many days for the Diwali, Ravi?
Diwali only 1 or 2 days, but it Chhat na I'll take. three days leave. Okay,
Okay.
on that day.
Okay.
Okay.
Ravi, do you celebrate Chhat
Yeah,
in your home?
yeah. We
What
said
does that chat?
Chhat.
Chhat is a festival that is belongs from the Bihar. It is mainly celebrating in the Bihar. That is a worship of a sun.
Okay.
It is a 4 day festival. It is
Okay.
also celebrating in my home. My mother is doing.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't heard about this church festival. I just heard about the Baiduj and other things. I haven't heard about this.
Yeah. Just
It
explore that
is
chat one. Okay, in
Okay.
Chat GPT or anywhere or video you can
it
see.
is mostly celebrating in Bihar, UP, and Jharkhand.
Okay.
Okay, you have to get the code. Okay, error free code tomorrow, Sanjay.
Yeah. Okay.
Tomorrow I'll give you ID, and Briti also I'll give you the ID, and same time you have to run your command, error free command means error free code. Okay, for deployment of
For creating that.
static
Okay.
web app as well as your app services. Okay, web
Web
apps.
service. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
both in
Yeah.
module
Okay.
file structure.
Okay.
In module file structure. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Ravi.
Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Thank you, Ravi.
Okay. Thank you, Ravi.